Hey you guys, it's Shruti. Welcome back to another episode of Fashion. आज हम करने वाले हैं ड्रेस का हॉल स्पेसिफिकली फॉर क्रिसमस. सो मेरी क्रिसमस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एंड सारी ड्रेसेस अंडर ₹999 होने वाली है. सो आई कांट वेट टू शेयर विद यू दैट. इफ यू आर न्यू टू दिस चैनल, माय नेम इज श्रुति. आई मेक ट्रैवल, लाइफस्टाइल एंड फैशन कंटेंट ओवर हियर. If you like it, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so you do not miss out any of my content. So let's dig into it. First outfit जो मैंने order किया है, it's in the color gold metallic and mini dress है. Currently the metallic fabric, the knitted fabric is so in trend and I love how it is turning out to be. It is fitting me like a glove. You can say that it's a strapless dress and behind they have given the closure of a chain. If you see, the zip is so smooth and from below they have given a slit cut as well, which is a great thought to give more detailings to the dress. And yes, the fabric quality is fab in such a great price. I ordered this in the size small and I am styling it with rose gold jewelry and transparent heels. You can say आप इसे black color की accessories के साथ भी style कर सकते हो. So for Christmas, this kind of fabric just works and give you that vibe altogether. You can wear this midi dress for any formal events as well. Style it with a blazer and you are good to go. So next outfit जो मैंने order किया है, it's a classic black mini dress. Look at it, it's a sleeveless mini dress and I love the fabric. Look at the neckline, it has cute bow detailing silver color में, and here I have styled it with the silver jewelry and silver sandals, which is giving the whole Christmas vibe. And also this kind of classic black never goes wrong with any formal events or any cocktail parties. If you are very skeptical about what to wear in such parties or any party, you can pick such kind of elegant dresses, and it has a zip closure behind, very convenient, and it fits me really well. I have ordered this in the size small. Next is a cutout mini dress and look at the color. It is so unique. It's in the sea green color. Look at the waistline. It has such a good designing and side में ऐसे जो cut दिए हुए हैं, it just gives you that all in vibe for Christmas. And yes, the fabric is amazing. Again, it's a metallic fabric in sea green color. I ordered this in the size small and it fits me well. यहाँ पे मैंने इसे स्टाइल किया है सिल्वर ज्वेलरी के साथ एंड ट्रांसपेरेंट हील्स भी पहनी है. अगर आपको क्रिसमस में लाइक यू डोंट वांट टू वेयर एनी हैवी थिंग्स और यू वांट टू बी लिटिल सटल एंड वांट टू गेट दैट सटल लुक, then this kind of dresses just works. So yeah, you can go with such kind of outfits as well if you want something subtle and classic in Christmas. Next outfit is something really out of the box. Okay, अगर आपको एकदम ही stand out करना है, then you need this dress in your wardrobe. काफी built up हो गया ना? So this dress is a grey embellished designed dress. It's a net fabric and I am loving the quality of the fabric. It's so good in such a good price. And yes, if you see, it is a strapless dress, but it has this transparent straps here to hold the dress properly if you have that heavy bust. Otherwise here I have not used the strap, I have just worn it like that. I've ordered this in the size small and it fits me well. Okay, and पीछे यहाँ पे zip closure दिया हुआ है, which is again a great thought. For this dress, you don't need to accessorize much, like minimal jewelry is fine. Here I'm styling it with the silver jewelry, minimal jewelry, okay. And नीचे मैंने transparent heels पहनी है, not to just overpower the outfit because outfit is enough to shine. And yes, you can go with such kind of outfits if you want to look that big. So next is a one shoulder long bodycon dress. This outfit is just beautiful. look at the green color. It's the vibe of Christmas. And yes, dahlia work है इस fabric पे. The quality is amazing and the fabric is great. पीछे उन्होंने closure दिया हुआ है zip का, and it's one shoulder, so it has this kind of adjustable strap. And yes, from below it has a slit cut from one side, and this just like hugs your body. And how, and यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, it just fits me very beautifully. and मैंने यहाँ पे इसे स्टाइल किया है सिल्वर ज्वेलरी के साथ and with transparent heels. So yeah, you can go with such kind of Christmas vibe outfits as well and look little elegant and chic at the same time. I ordered this in the size small. Last but not the least, I have a beautiful mini flare dress. It's in the fabric satin. I love the detailings, the ruffle detailings which is going on below and above. They have this fall off neckline which is so in currently, and पीछे ऐसे thread work दिया हुआ है backless outfit पे. नीचे यहाँ पे closure दिया हुआ है chain का which is great. You can wear it very conveniently. ये मैंने size small में order किया था and in such a good price. I think go for it for this Christmas. मैंने इसे अपने birthday पे भी पहना था. It gives you that vibe too because it's in satin. So here I styled it with silver jewelry and silver sandals. That's it. And if you want to like experiment a little bit, then आप इसे emerald jewelry के साथ भी style कर सकते हो, या फिर any stone jewelry will also work. So yeah guys, this was it from my side. I hope you guys enjoyed this small little Christmas haul with me, and if you did, please do hit a like button, comment below if you want more videos such, and yes, share कर देना अपने friends के साथ who is attending Christmas party this year. And yes, all the outfit links will be in my description box and tagged in this video as well. So yeah, you can check out very conveniently and shop for yourself this Christmas. So yeah guys, till then, keep dressing up, keep traveling, and keep watching my videos. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.